Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at XRP with its longer correction for many years since the 2017 until the 2024. For 8 years, XRP was ranging in a very long correction. And this correction belongs, of course, to a wave B or a wave 2, which is much more possible for a wave B. I'm going to explain why. Because possibly this is, of course, a triangle as well. It can be an A, B, C, D, E, or it can be a W, X, and Y. Your wave Y, of course, is a smaller triangle finished somewhere here, of course. And the triangle is kind of much more specific for a wave B rather than a wave 2. Therefore, it is much more possible that we are looking here after this correction for a wave C towards the upside. And of course, your wave C would like to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as 5 impulsive waves. Now, of course, we cannot consider a 1, 2 here. This is a part of the correction. But your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably is somewhere here to form a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 for a wave C. Now, inside this scenario, after this correction, we would like, of course, to take a look on the 1-hour chart to get much clearer, of course, a view what happened, of course, since this impulse has started. We see here a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Almost finished impulse towards the upside with 5 impulsive waves. Inside your 1, 2 here, of course, you got a small impulse, and then your wave 3 is already the label in the white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, a triangle for a wave 4, which is a very characteristic wave 4. And of course, because XRP loves triangles, and we can see here a 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, a wave 4 as triangle for XRP. And then moving with a final wave as a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, it's an impulse, but with a shorter wave 3, a longer wave 1, and shorter wave 5. So everything is a perfect finished impulse towards the upside. Probably we have finished a wave 1 here, and probably we are looking now towards the downside for a wave 2. So if we would like to have a wave 2 right now, we would like to see, of course, 3 waves corrective towards the downside. Our targets are, the wave 2 preferred fib levels would be, of course, taken from the bottom of this impulse till the top here with wave 2 impulse to get, of course, these fib levels, which are the minimum, of course, of the 0.38 fib for wave 2. So very possible that we dive a little bit deeper for XRP, maybe even to 0.5, or to the preferable fib levels, of course, for XRP is, of course, in the green level, but it's not really necessarily to dive so deep. But it can be. It is a possibility. Don't forget, it's a wave 2. Now, if we would like to see, of course, this correction unfolding, we would like to see 3 waves, of course, going towards the downside, hitting one of these fib levels and start to move towards the upside. Of course, you have to watch some indicators, of course, in that case, once you arrive to this level and you start to see the formation of 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and continuation towards the upside with some indicators like, of course, KGT, RSI, MACD, any kind of indicator even can still work for you to give you some signals, of course, of a bullish scenario, of course, as an impulse. So these are basically the insight now for XRP. We are looking a little bit for lower, where we would like to see, of course, a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, 5 in the top for a bigger scenario here. To finish, of course, a wave C, as we saw, of course, in the weekly, where we would like to check, to reach at least the 0.618 as an uncommon target for an impulse or for a wave C in a diagonal, in a zigzag, sorry, or the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for XRP for a wave C. Can be also possible. Now, don't forget that these are, of course, fibs based on the logarithmic chart. But look at the difference between the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level. This is at $29 and this is at $450. By all means, when XRP becomes a very impulsive, we might see a very huge wave 3 towards the upside. Of course, after this 1-2 here, we might see a very huge wave 3 towards the upside, going very fast with very huge numbers. So that is possible with crypto. You know, this is a market of crypto, and XRP loves to do this. We saw this before, by the way, and that's why I would like not be surprised if it happens from the 0.044 until the 0.0044 to the 0.044, and that I think over than 1000% in one leg, guys, in 1 week. That might have repeat, and it has already started in this strong trend towards the upside after our big correction. Don't forget also that this was a very long correction for a long time here, and that's why, yeah, it might be very explosive towards the upside. However, we're gonna watch a 1-2 first, and then of course maybe continuation towards the upside. Now, the XRP on the KGT, of course, also show us some signals. Of course, the first thing what we would like to see is sell or buys. We have, of course, here a sell signal on the 5-minute chart. We got the buy already for our impulse before. As you can see, since we have started the impulse, you can see the buy. We cannot see it anymore now. It's very far. But of course, your buy has started from here. Now you are in the sell since that top here. And we are looking at a convergence, bearish convergence, right? From the top here. So if you can see here, you can see that the price is moving down, right? And we see some conversions with it, right? And this is, of course, very bearish. And we are still, of course, bearish for XRP. However, you have, of course, a bearish signal here where it was played already and finished. Now you are looking to a divergence in the bullish signal, right? So that is a valid bullish signal. Now we see higher prices, but your problem is that you have a sell. Now it's not necessarily to be bearish here. It could be a correction, and it could be done as A, B, and a C. And then we have, of course, started probably a bullish divergence here. Now, to make, of course, even much more sure that there is some buyers entering the market, yeah, it's not really convincing. We see a lot of red CVDs or a lot of sellers coming in this area, even knowing that we went up, that because the buyers were accumulated somewhere here. But right now, we are looking to several red signals, which is not really nice to see. And it might, of course, play with, according to the bearish, again, to the bearish signal that we might get all over here. So, of course, you're gonna have a bearish one. Here we go. If you get more data from here, you see also that we have a convergence here with those two bearish signal, and plus the sellers coming in, plus your signal in the sell. So definitely we are still moving towards the downside, guys. So nothing is impulsive. Yeah, so this is how KGT, of course, give us the signals. You have to always reach the final signals, get the signal sell or buy, and find the divergence or the conversions, and then you are set up already with the CVDs for confirmation. So if you would like to have, of course, KGT is available in public. You can check in the description how to get it. And also, of course, the Discord member can get the older version of KGT for free. And soon it's going to be available for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana as well for the Discord member. For the last version, it is available for many other cryptos as well, over than 13 crypto. And of course, I'm working on it to expand it as well. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.